Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal Nasrullah bin Jamalludin, and I, together with my two friends, which is Aiman Izzudin bin Zulkifli and Iqmal Hakimi bin Razali, and we will present our DIY project, which is Bluetooth door lock. So for the introduction, technology is influencing our lives at breakneck pace. Technology was created to assist us in achieving greater goals, and it is now impacting our lives on our daily basis. For this project, our group has chosen a Bluetooth door lock for the DIY. The user could input 1 or 0 with their smartphone whether to lock the door or open the door. So for the problem statement, people nowadays, especially students, are always on their phones and they lie in bed before going to sleep. The door is not locked yet, and they are either too lazy or forgetful to lock it. And the second one is people or students may forget or lost their keys, especially student in Mahalah. When these things occur, they just leave the door unsecured, rendering their home or room unsafe in Mahalah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iqmal Hakimi bin Razali, matric number 1912103. For my part, I will talk about solution and also circuit. There are two parts in solution, which is the first one is hardware and the second one is software. So the first one is hardware, which we use Arduino Nano R3, servo motor and Arduino Bluetooth module. For the software part, the first one we use Android phone for installing the table app, and then Arduino IDE installed in the laptop for coding. So this is the circuit and the schematic one. We connect all the hardware part using wire and in the breadboard. So we connect the Arduino part, we connect to the laptop using USB wire for uploading the code we coded in the Arduino IDE. And then for the Bluetooth module, Arduino Bluetooth module, which is for connecting Bluetooth from the Android phone, which has installed the Table app. So this is the diagram. So that's all from me.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Izzudin, and now I'm going to explain about coding. So this is the coding for Arduino. So from this coding, when the state is when the type is equal to 0, which is when we type in our smartphone, then the door will lock. Else if we type 1, then the door will be unlocked. Okay, so next is our video about how does the Arduino Bluetooth module and this and the servo function with smartphone. Okay, so next is the video how does the Bluetooth door lock function. Okay, so next is the conclusion. Okay, so for the conclusion, when this Bluetooth door lock, we could lock and unlock their door from anywhere they want within the radius. whether inside their room or outside their room without touching the door lock and having any keys. By having this type of IT system, all people, especially students, does not need to worry about their lost key and unlock door any lost key and unlock about the door being unlocked anymore. So that's all from us. Thank you.